Hello there everybody, and today I'm going to unbox and review another budget tech product, and this time it's the Ipipoo AP-3 wireless earphones. If you're looking for budget wireless earphones, then these are very good for the price because it offers great sound and bass for the price of 1,000 pesos, or about $20 if you convert it. I don't have many earphones that I've tried in order to compare them, but I'll tell you that these sound the best out of the 3 wireless earphones that I've listened to, which are the SM Accessories wireless earphones, the iFuture Truly wireless earphones, and these Ipipoo AP-3 earphones. But of course, those two are cheaper, so it's understandable that they don't sound as good. And before we get into the unboxing, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you won't miss another Blue CJ Tech video. Alright, so we have the box right here. As you can see, it has the Ipipoo logo right there at the top. And it says right here, these are the AP-3 wireless sports earphones with built-in magnet as well. Specs at the back right here. This is Bluetooth 4.2. They claim that the standby time is 200 hours, talk time is 6 hours, music playtime 4 hours, charging time 1.5 hours. And it also says that the transmission distance is up to 10 meters. Alright, so this is what the box looks like, and let's just see what's inside. Alright, so let's just open that and take it off. So as you can see, we have the earphones and some accessories as well that are included inside the box. So let's just take off the earphones. Let's see. Taking them off. This is what they look like. See, very cool. And they also have the built-in magnets. And this is your controls. So you have your media controls here, your play, pause, next and previous song. Have the logo at the back, and we also have the micro USB charging port. Alright, so let's look at the other accessories that are inside the box. So you can see we have this little plastic right here, this like little Ziploc bag, and then you have these little hooks that you can attach to your earphones. I have a clip here, you know, want to clip it to your clothes. Have this little thing which I don't know how to use, and of course some extra ear tips which are pretty cool. And we also have a micro USB cable, you know, if you want to use it for charging. So this is how you actually attach those hooks to your earphones, so they're pretty easy. As you can see, just do it like that, kind of stretch it, but of course don't overdo it because you might break them. And this is what they look like, pretty cool. So I've tried the Ipipoo AP-3s for a bit, and I'm going to say that the sound is great. It has a lot of bass in it, but not too much. Watching videos is great as well. They're overall really nice earphones for the price. About the battery life and the charging time, in my usage I get around 3 to 4 hours of music time and about 2 hours of charging when the battery is dead. The magnet is pretty convenient too, so that they stay on your neck, and I think the design looks good and pretty sporty. Like if you also think that these earphones look great. And if you do have $20 to spend on wireless earphones, I think you should definitely buy these Ipipoo AP-3s. Pairing is really easy too, like the ones that I've tried before. You just pair your device for the first time, and then the next time it'll connect automatically once you turn on Bluetooth. If you guys enjoyed the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. Also share this to your friends that are interested in good wireless earphones at a budget price. Be sure to turn on notifications so that you won't miss another Blue CJ Tech video. Stay blue, my friends. Goodbye.